got the master of masters cutting it. Cut pretty straight. Look at that. Look at that thing. Look at that. Pretty slick job. Pretty good. That's pretty straight. Precise. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty nifty machine.
Takes a second because I got to kind of put some pressure pushing down on it to get it to.
Okay, we want this end down.
Man, ain't that
Now,
slick.
Rudy, it'll fit in the fucking hole. I've had it in there.
Now this ain't food or mechanics.
Technically, it is because it's Rudy's Mechanical Services.
Rudy's Mechanical Services.
That's different though. Shade Tree Mechanical Services.
Exactly.
Yeah, Shade Tree. Rudy's a Shade Tree. Shade Tree Mechanical. This is going viral, guys. We got enough room in that hole?
Just got spit on it.
Got spit on a little bit. I'm gonna spit on it. Okay.
Stick your tongue out.
Lube it up. Oh, we're good to go. Catch you guys later. And guys, we're using all DeWalt stuff. DeWalters. DeWalts are tough. Hey, we got all DeWalt.
Hey,
Everything DeWalt. What's DeWalt?
this ain't DeWalt. This is Performance Tools.
Oh, Performance Tools in the whole house.
Okay, tell me what it does.
What is it?
You're a Performance Tool guy. Come on.
I don't know what that is.
Come
What is
on.
it, for a strap?
What do you mean?
It's a wire cut stripper.
No.
No?
No.
Not a wire stripper?
No.
What is this? Well, it's a wire puller of some sort. It pulls wire through something. Isn't it? Oh, zip tie.
Okay. It's in there like that. Sit there.
Oh, nice.
Okay, but wait.
There's more.
Wait, there's more. Oh, and it cuts it too.
Cuts it flat. It pulls the zip strip tight. What I use it for is that flexible duct going on to them fucking nipples on that trunk line that runs down under the house. It goes to the register. You it tightens the zip strip up and then cuts it off.
Nice. Doesn't leave a sharp edge.
And you didn't even know it.
No,
Performance
this is a
tool.
performance
This is
tool.
Quality performance tool. So Workshop Tools in Sevierville, Tennessee.
There you guys go.
Order them off of Amazon.
There you guys go. How'd you like that? So, we'll catch you guys later. Well, we'll just show what we got done here. Got that all flattened out. Got her screwed in. We got all that done. We just got the gas pipe through the wall. Worked on it, getting it through. So now we're ready to set this in the kitchen. And got this thing ready to set on here. So we're making some progress here on this. There's a line out here. So what do you think, guys? Pretty good. So this is what we got done today on this. Got the furnace put in, got it done. We're putting in a hot water system. There's the stuff for that. And then there's the inlet for the pipe down there. Should try to get this in. Yeah, I need to put some light on that subject. But anyways, there we go. That's what we did today. There, there's some light. No light. No more light. That's what we got done. There we go, guys. You can see what we did in here. That's what we're doing. Putting the furnace. And then what he's going to do is he's going to end up putting a wall here and a wall here. Make it a closet. He's then enclosing this area right here. So that's going to be the next trip down. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.